Hi, this is Matthew Pearson from Zone 1 Hearing, also known as the Wax Warrior, and we see patients in West Hampstead, which is in London. The video that we're sharing with you today is of a patient who'd attended the clinic today, and as you may know, we do recommend that pre-treatment the wax is softened for 4 or 5 days with ear roll. You could also use CL ear as an alternative, but this particular patient had been in such a lot of discomfort, and they'd found that they were feeling unsteady, and someone did check their ear for them and explained that their ear was full of wax. So they came to the clinic today having had the opportunity to do any softening. So this procedure did take a lot longer than it would do normally, but spoiler alert, we did manage to get the wax out in the end, and the discomfort was greatly relieved, as was that feeling of being very plugged. But as you'll get to see as you watch the video, the wax seemed to start right from the entrance and seemed to come out in never-ending chunks to the point where it seemed to be all the way up to the eardrum. So, you know, we were as relieved as the patient was at the end to have this out, because today we had to extend the clinic a couple of times just due to the amount of people who had already booked, and then we also had people trying to walk in, which occasionally we can accommodate, but today was extremely busy. So please enjoy the video. I'll be back with you shortly. So we do this a couple of times, but we instilled some medical grade olive oil into the patient's ear, and what that did is to change the consistency of the wax and dead skin slightly, and allowed us to slightly speed up the process. Like I say, ideally this would have been done for a few days prior to the treatment, but this can sometimes help when the wax is very stubborn and doesn't want to come out of the ear. just worth mentioning, if you weren't aware, in addition to earwax removal services, we offer the entire range of hearing aids available on the market, and in addition to this, noise protection, swimming plugs, sleep plugs and in-ear monitors. And finally, we have our first glimpse of the patient's eardrum and immediate relief for the patient. If you are in the London area or would like to travel to see us and are suffering from an earwax blockage, you can do that directly from our website, zoneonehearing.com, and all the available slots will be shown there. And as we advised earlier, if you are someone who doesn't have naturally soft wax, we do recommend softening pre-treatment for a quick and easy wax removal procedure. As you can imagine, with the huge amount of wax that's come out of the patient's canal, their canal wall is looking a little bit red and angry, but as we can see, we've revealed a healthy eardrum. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to see our next video content.